Go to Kledeo's website. Open your browser and navigate to Kledeo's subtitle tool. Create an account using Gmail. Upload your video. Click on Choose File to upload your video from your device. You can also upload from Google Drive, Dropbox, or paste a video URL. Add subtitles. Choose Auto Subtitle. After the video is uploaded, you'll be taken to the subtitle editor. You can either manually add subtitles by typing them out in the editor. Upload an SRT file if you already have one prepared. Adjust timing and appearance. You can edit the start and end times for each subtitle to match the video. There are also options to customize the font size and color of your subtitles. Preview your video. After adding the subtitles, you can click Preview to see how they look. Export the video. Once you're satisfied, click Export to process the video with subtitles. Download the video to your device or save it to Google Drive or Dropbox.